An aerial ladder vehicle, also known as an aerial ladder truck or aerial ladder apparatus, is a specialized fire truck designed for firefighting and rescue operations at heights. It is equipped with an extendable ladder mounted on a large, heavy-duty chassis. The primary function of the aerial ladder is to provide access to elevated areas, such as multi-story buildings, for firefighting, rescue, and ventilation purposes. Here are some key features and components typically found on an aerial ladder vehicle. Chassis. The vehicle is built on a robust chassis capable of carrying heavy loads and providing stability during operation. It is often a custom-built, heavy-duty truck chassis with sufficient power and torque to handle the weight and demands of the equipment. Aerial ladder. The most prominent feature of the vehicle is the aerial ladder itself. It is a telescoping or articulated ladder that can extend to various heights, typically ranging from 75 to 135 feet or more. The ladder is constructed from durable materials such as steel or aluminum and is designed to support the weight of firefighters and rescue equipment. Aerial device controls. The aerial ladder is controlled by a set of hydraulic or electric controls located at the base of the ladder and within the truck's cab. These controls allow firefighters to extend, retract, raise, and lower the ladder, as well as maneuver it horizontally and vertically for precise positioning. Waterway and nozzles. A waterway system is integrated into the ladder, allowing firefighters to deliver water or other extinguishing agents to elevated locations. The waterway consists of pipes, valves, and nozzles that can be operated remotely from the ladder's tip or from the base of the vehicle. Platform or bucket. At the top of the ladder, there is a platform or bucket where firefighters can stand or operate specialized equipment. The platform provides a stable working area and often includes safety features like handrails and harness attachment points. Equipment storage. Aerial ladder vehicles typically have compartments and storage areas for carrying firefighting and rescue equipment. These compartments may house tools, ropes, hoses, ventilation fans, medical supplies, and other gear necessary for firefighting and rescue operations. Lighting and communication. The vehicle is equipped with various lighting systems, including emergency lights and spotlights, to illuminate the working area during nighttime operations. Communication equipment, such as radios and speakers, enables firefighters to coordinate their actions and stay connected with command centers. Aerial ladder vehicles are versatile and essential assets for fire departments, enabling firefighters to reach higher floors, perform rescues, and effectively combat fires in tall buildings. They play a crucial role in urban firefighting and rescue operations, providing enhanced safety and efficiency in challenging situations.